Okay, welcome back to another episode. Then we are still on the primitive data type. The last one we did is based on the arithmetic, concatenation, and template selection. Now we are continuing with the comparison operator. This one work with all data type. When I mean all data type, you can use it in a string, number, boolean, all the data type you can use it. The comparison operator. This comparison operator we have equal to. Equal to, it means that what we are trying to compare two things that are they the same thing if we use double equal to. But the double equals to means that what this one just only check for the value, does not check for the data type, it's only for the value. For example, let's look an example of equal to. And an example of equal to, if I say let y equal to 2, then let z equal to 2, 2. And this comparison operators is always return a boolean form, true or false. True or false. This one, are they equal to this? True, it's return true. Let's now take a quick example. Console.log. If I put console.log is y equal to double equal to z, then let's right click and display it on the browser. Yes, that is return what true, because the comparison operator return true about a statement about two things that are trying to compare together. Is y equal to z? Because what is our value of y? 2. What's our value of z? 2. If I put a quote here, automatically it has become what? String data type. Because if I check the type of, let me check the type of console.log. Type of z, it will show me what? String data type. But anytime you are using two double equal to, it means that what is just checking for what? For the value. If I save it and go to the browser again, it still was true. It just only checking for what? The value inside it. It does not check for maybe the data type you are using. Maybe it is a string or a number. Because what you are trying to compare here is you are comparing a number data type with a string data type. Let's take a look example to another one. Not equal to. Now, if I use another example, not equal to console.log, I'm trying to check that y is not asterisk, y is not equal to z. Like they are not the same thing. And 2 and 2 are the same thing. It will return false because they are the same thing. For instance, it's false because 2 and 2 are the same thing. It will false. And anytime you are using a double equal sign, um sorry, anytime you are using exclamation mark and equal sign one, this one too will just only check for the value. If I change this value or this value to 5 now, if I say y is not equal to 2 equal to z, the answer will be true, because what is our value of y? 5. What is our value of z? 2. They are not equal to, they are not the same thing. It will be true. It will change back to true. Can you see that? True. It is only checking for the value, not for the data type. Let's take a look at example for another one. Street equal to. This street equal to, it's check for both the value and the number. It check street equal to, it check for both the value and the number. Now, if I have a value here, maybe I have 5 here, I have 2 here. The street equal to, it's it check for the both the value and the data type. The data type of y is what? Number data type. While the data type for z is what? String data type. They are not the same data type, but their value is what? The same thing. And anytime you are using a street equal to, it means that what? It's checked for the both the data type and the value. If I put the console.log y equal to 3 equal to z, the results will be false. They are not equal to the same thing. The value are not the same thing. Although the value that is inside the y and z are the same thing, but the data type are different. Y is a number data type, y z is what? A string data type. They are two different data type. Let's move on. Street not equal to. This street not equal to, it's check for both the value and data type too. If I run the same code now, if I run the same code again here, the value will be true, because y is not the same thing as what? As z. The value of y is 2, while the value of z is 2, but the data type are different. It means that what? They are not equal to. It will be true. Line 16. Can you see it now? True. Now, greater than, we use greater than sign to check if a number is greater than another number, and it's returned in a Boolean format. Let y1 equal to 10. Let z1 equal to 2. If I put console.log y1 is greater than z1, the result will be true, because 10 is bigger than 2. Can you see it? 2. If I now put Z1 is greater than Y1, the value will be false because Z1 is what? 2, while Y1 is what? 10, and 2 is not bigger than 10. That is greater than. Now let's look at less than. But if I now run the code again, log, but I change the symbol, Z1 is less than Y1, the answer will be true. True. Now the next one is greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to, it's work for two things. Now if I say that greater than or equal to, it means that what, that number, if the number is greater than the value. For example now, if I pass in log Z1 is greater than or equal to Y1 is greater than or equal to Z1, the answer will be true because what is working for two operator. Like if the value is greater than, and here the value is what, Y1 is what, 10. 10 is greater than Z1. And if I change this one to 10, the value too will work again because what, Y1 is equal to Z1. It will work for the second operator, equal to. True. Is it true? Let's try to comment everything. It should be true. Now, if I put less than, if I change this one to 1, Z1 is less than or equal to Y1, then the value will be true because 1 is less than 10. It's not up to 10. But if I put this one to 10, the value will still be true because is they are the same value, 10 and 10. That is based on the comparison operator. Let's now take a quick example of it, of comparison operator. I've already understand what comparison operator do, and the comparison operator work for all data type. Let's now change it. Assuming I have something, let's name equal to Bola. Now, if I want to use equal sign, the first one, equal sign, also dot log name is equal to, double equal to. This one just check for what, for the data type, is equal to Bola, is equal to Lola. Then it will return what, false, because Lola and Bola are not the same thing. But if I put Bola there, it will return true. True statement. But if I now change the code back to how it was before, I say that name is not equal to Lola, meaning that Bola is not equal to Lola, and it will return true because Lola and Bola are different things. They are not the same thing. They are two different things. It will return true. Then that is all for the comparison operator. As much as we go, then I will discuss more about it and how to use it very well. See you in next video. Bye.